Hello everyone. Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where we share clear, truthful, and verified pathways to work and settle abroad. In Part 4, we explained that the Canada Caregiver PR pilot is currently paused, but caregiver jobs are still available through LMIA. So in Part 5, I will show you 1. What LMIA caregiver jobs are. 2. Who can apply. 3. Where to find them. 4. And how to apply step by step without falling for scams. If you're serious about working in Canada as a caregiver, watch this video till the end. Canada. What is an LMIA caregiver job? LMIA means Labour Market Impact Assessment. In simple terms, Canada allows employers to hire foreign caregivers, but the employer must first prove that no Canadian is available. This approval is called LMIA. Key important. The employer applies for LMIA, not the caregiver. You should never pay for LMIA. If an employer has LMIA approval, you can apply for a Canadian work permit. Who can apply for LMIA caregiver jobs? You can apply if you 1. Have experience in caregiving, home care, elderly care, disability care, or childcare. 2. Can communicate in basic English. 3. Are willing to work full-time. 4. Are ready to relocate to Canada. You do not need nursing license, university degree, ALTS in many cases. Experience and honesty matter most. Where to find real LMIA caregiver jobs. 1. Job Bank Canada, best and safest. This is the official government job site. Search keywords: caregiver, home support worker, live-in caregiver. Look for jobs that mention open to foreign workers. LMIA available. 2. Direct home care employers. Examples of real employers: Nurse Next Door, Home Instead, Bayshore Home Health, Spectrum Healthcare, Perham Home Health. Always apply directly on their websites. 3. Private families, via Job Bank. Many families hire caregivers directly and apply for LMIA themselves. These jobs are very common for live-in caregivers, elderly care, child care. Step by step. How to apply. Step 1. Prepare your CV. Include caregiving experience, duties performed, years of experience, references, if available. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Apply directly on Job Bank or employer website. Do not use middlemen if possible. Step 3. Employer applies for LMIA. If the employer is interested, they submit LMIA application. Processing may take weeks to months. Be patient. LMIA is not instant. Step 4. Receive job offer plus LMIA. Once approved, employer sends you 1. Job offer letter. 2. LMIA number. Step 5. Apply for work permit. You submit job offer, LMIA, passport, police clearance, medical exam. If approved, you can travel to Canada. Scam warning. Very important. Please listen carefully. No one should ask you to pay for LMIA. No guaranteed visa. Avoid WhatsApp-only agents. Always verify. Employer on Job Bank. Written job offer. Official email domain. If you are unsure, pause and verify. Final word and call to action. Even though the caregiver pilot is paused. 1. LMIA caregiver jobs are open. 2. Canada still needs caregivers. 3. Legal pathways still exist. The key is knowledge, patience, and correct steps. If you want 1. Live LMIA caregiver job links. 2. CV samples for caregivers. 3. Province by province LMIA jobs. Comment LMIA below, and I will drop all in my next video. Subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global. May God guide your steps and open doors for you. See you in the next video.